Make sure you stay until the end. It could be something super simple that will take you only a couple minutes to fix that problem. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Dodge Challenger, and if you have one of those, you have check engine light and code P0442. Stay with us, we'll explain what can cause that. It's a small evap leak code guys, how to fix it, how to diagnose that problem. If you don't fix it on time, it can lead to more repairs in the future, and we'll explain why. And usually it's very simple fix, something that most people actually ignore, and it's something that you see almost weekly guys. We'll explain what I'm talking about in this video today. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Challenger or any car you want to save quite a bit of money, get them at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So code P0442, what that means? Small evap leak. What is evap guys? This is the evaporative emission system. Why do you have that? Let's talk about that, how it functions, and you get an idea. Back in the day guys, when you put fuel in your fuel tank, you just have gasoline and you drive your car, it splashes, it heats up, so practically it releases gasoline fumes, and they used to be released in the atmosphere through a vent, or even the cap on the fuel tank practically didn't have even seals back in the day. So those fuel vapors used to leak out in the atmosphere, but now due to emissions and cleaner running vehicles, it's a closed system where when you build certain pressure in the fuel tank, it will send the fuel vapors to that hose, and on that hose you're going to have that device that's known as a purge control valve. The purpose of that valve, when you have enough pressure in the fuel tank, the engine computer will tell that valve we need to open, it will open, and through that hose right here, it will inject those fuel vapors in the intake manifold that will burn through the engine. So at that point, okay, it's a win-win situation. You have cleaner engine, and you have an engine that's more efficient because you're not losing fuel in the form of fuel fumes. Now, with that being said, that's a purge valve guys right here. You may have one more vent valve towards the back, towards the fuel tank, and you have one special device that's known as a canister box. That's where the practically the fuel vapors are practically stored guys. So thinking about that now, okay, what can cause that evap leak that we see quite often here at the shop? One of those things could be a purge valve that is partially stuck open. It could be functioning, it could be opening, closing, but if it's not closing all the way, okay, it may have some fumes leaking through it, and as a result, if you drive on long trips, your fuel pressure sensor will not detect that you have enough pressure in the fuel tank for a certain amount of time, and it will activate the engine light and code P0442. Another thing, you need to find the line from the purge valve all the way to the canister, inspect all the evap hoses around the fuel tank. Okay, you need to take care of those as well. But there is something super simple that most people completely ignore, and I want to show you what it is. Now that car has been in a little bit of an accident, but ignore it guys, runs and drives great. It's amazing. I mean, it's a Dodge, right? It drives no matter what. So if you come right here, we're going to remove the fuel cap. I want to show you something guys, specifically here now. So what do we have guys? Okay, we have that fuel cap. On the fuel cap you have one seal, one gasket that prevents fuel vapors from coming out. This one is out of a vehicle with only 40,000 miles, and it cracked. When it cracked, it said that code P0442. It's actually from a German vehicle, but it's the same procedure. You can see this crack caused a leak of fuel vapors from the fuel tank. So number one thing, check the fuel cap. Two things can fail here, the gasket And number 2, you have a special valve, that valve here. The purpose of that valve, when you build enough pressure in the fuel tank, and if the evap system fails, it cannot inject those fumes in the intake manifold, that valve will actually open and release them at that point in the atmosphere, so you don't build enough pressure to where you can explode while driving your car. So always guys, check the fuel cap first and the seal. That's the number 1 thing that I would recommend. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.